I'm out here with the Evo for the first flight. We're just going to take off without the app. I'm not using the app. I just want to come and burn some of this battery down and just take a little video. Let's see, this display button is supposed to switch the... Okay, it does. Okay, but I'm not going very far because Mike Brooks told me to keep it close for these first couple flights, so that's what we're going to do. Okay. You hit this display button again. Okay, so yeah, it shows you the display from the camera on the screen, so you actually don't need the app. There's only a few things you actually need the app for, and the zoom is one of them. So I'm not going to be able to do any zoom because I don't want to use the app. I just want to see what it's like without the app. Tells you your speed, your distance, your height. Oh, and I think you need the app for the, you know, like the follow me features and all that crapola. You know. I just want to see how stable it is for right now. I think I have the setting on it. It kind of pitches a lot. Not that that's a bad thing, but doesn't seem to have the bank turns like the Anafi. Yeah, okay, it's doing that a little bit. You just gotta kind of get the feel of it. The sticks are kind of twitchy. Yeah, and I think I need the app on to change those settings, so. We'll just see how stable it is, see if it sits there. So here's the Mavic Pro. So it's noisier than the Evo, I do believe. Yeah, just walking up on them, you can see that that it's noisier. I don't know how in the hell I'm going to edit all this damn video. Okay, maybe I should send it to Ken in Japan. Edit it together for me. I don't have the phone on either one of these suckers because you don't need the phone to fly these things. Mavic Pro, you don't need the phone. I'm trying to fly right over it. Don't know what kind of luck I'm having. Like I said, this is just a little burn-in test of the Evo. I just want to fly it and just run the battery, see if the battery, because Mike told me the battery, they've had issues with them acting up or failing. So Mike is a pretty smart guy, so I'm not going to ignore his advice. What I'm doing here is basically just farting around, okay? That's basically what I'm doing, okay? Oh, it's cold and shitty, so I'm here just farting around. All right. So the Evo's still going. Oh, I forgot the gimbal lock. You know, I almost always forget to take that off when I turn on the quadcopter. I always remember right at the last second. As soon as the power comes on, I remember. You know, it's one of them deals. So, I suspect the Evo ain't going anywhere. So we'll just let her chill out over there for a minute. I need to get these batteries on that thing broke in. So that's what we're doing. The video's still recording. It still says I have 17 minutes of flight time left. So that's a good thing. I like that little display button on there. That's really sharp. That's really sharp. That's about as high as I said I would go, and like it says on here 24 meters. I think it's a little higher than that, but that's what that says. So Okay, well I got a full stick forward and it won't come in to hit me. So we know the obstacle avoidance is working. Now the rear avoidance, oh, the wind's picking up. It's really cold, man. My fingers are freezing. Let's see if it'll, I don't see on here where how many satellites you got, but let's, oh, wrong stick. Let's see so I don't know if you have to turn that rear obstacle avoidance on in the app or what's the story. What's the story with that? I'm not sure. You know, this is my first time messing around with it, so the next time I come out, I'm going to use the app and check out some of the features. I kind of don't like the way it does that, kind of rocking around. I'm dodging all these mud holes. Plus I got the sun in my eye and can't see shit. Whew, God, is it cold. Too cold to be out here doing this. I just got to get this thing broke in. Because you know, once January comes, it's going to be cold as hell. But then you're going to get them freaky days. You're going to get those freaky days where you get that real nice weather. And I want to have this thing all figured out and tuned in by then. I don't even know what the hell's over there. I've never been over to that part of the park. I flew the Sky Viper Pro from here a couple times. Oh, there's still more stuff over there. I've never even been over that way. Let me check the display. Can't see much. It's kind of glaring. Says something on that sign over there. I'm just not sure what it says. I'll have to take a ride over there one day. Because there's a nice trail here I can use some of the RC vehicles with. Yeah, did you see that thing stop? Holy cow. It was running right at me and it could see me. I was going full stick forward on that thing. So I'm just going to walk it back now. Yeah, flew nice, guys. Flew nice. It still says I got 11 minutes of flight time left. I wonder if that heli ball is still in the garbage can. Boy, it has a nice punch speed to it. I don't know. It looks like the same garbage, but it looks like somebody put more garbage in there. All right, I'm gonna bring it down because my hands are freezing. Oh God. Ugh. Guys, I'm old, man. I'm old as shit. Ugh. Yeah, this thing flies really nice, guys. Really nice. Really nice. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. The only thing I didn't like about the flight was the way that it reminds me of the Bebop 2 does the same thing. Where when it's flying, it's going, and when it stops, it does that, that dip real severe instead of. Now, there might be a setting in there that I don't even know about to correct that. But, I haven't used the app yet. I just turned it on when I did the unboxing. So, hell, I haven't even posted the unboxing video yet. Okay, so. Yeah. This is a real beaut right here, man. I'm telling you right now. This thing is sweet as can be. Telling you. Sweet as can be. Very impressive. Man, it even feels cool when it's flying. Even has a nice feel to it. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later.